Hello friends and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are making a spicy apple cider margarita. 'Tis the season. It may still be 100 degrees outside, but we're getting festive over here. I am wearing this sweater and I am sweating, but we're making fall happen in my mind. So if you like spicy margaritas, this video is for you. Now, my boyfriend is not a huge margarita fan. He'll drink them. He had this the other day when I made it for the first time, and he said it was the best drink I've ever made. So if you want, try this drink out for yourself and let me know what you think in the comments. Let's go. So this recipe is super easy. We are just using store-bought apple cider. I wish I was waiting to make this video because tomorrow we are going to Apple Hill in Placerville, California, which is just like a ton of apple orchards, and their apple cider is gonna be amazing. But to make this recipe is super easy. All you need is apple cider. We are doing spicy tequila because this is a spicy margarita, some limes, apples, cinnamon sticks, and some Grand Marnier, some orange liqueur. And I also have some brown sugar, white sugar, and cinnamon for rimming the glass. So let's make this margarita. So depending on what glass you're using, you're going to fill up your apple cider. I've made this recipe quite a few times, so I do know my measurements for the glass I am using. This margarita is that good. All right, next up is spicy tequila, or whatever tequila preference you want. If you don't want a spicy margarita, use regular tequila. I am using Ghost Tequila. This is one of the only spicy tequilas I've tried. I have tried like a cucumber jalapeno, but I'm not sure how that would do in an apple cider margarita. I am only doing a 1 ounce. I don't want too strong of a margarita, but again, do your preference. If you want a 2 ounce tequila, you do you. I'm sure it'll be amazing. All right, so after we have our spicy tequila, we're going to do about ½ ounce of Grand Marnier. I am just like a little baby. Not a baby, but I'm a lightweight when it comes to drinking, so this will be good enough for me. And then we're going to give this, oh, I'm sorry. I forgot an ingredient. 1 second. All right, and I got some ground cinnamon. This was the missing ingredient. So just sprinkle some ground cinnamon in there, and then you're going to give this a stir. You could also probably put it in a cocktail shaker, as margaritas are supposed to be shaken, but go on with this. It'll do the job. This recipe is literally so good. Perfect. All right, so now that we have that, we're going to rim our glass. So as I mentioned earlier, I have some brown sugar, white sugar, and ground cinnamon on this plate. Rimming your glass is optional. You don't need to rim your glass. I just think it makes for a better cocktail experience and makes your cocktail look just that much better. So I'm just getting the rims wet with some limes. Right, now that we have a beautiful looking rim, we are going to grab our ice. I'm using a huge square ice cube. These glasses are like little pumpkin glasses, so cute, from Target, only $3. All right, and since we're making a festive cocktail, I like making everything a little bit fun. I'm just using a big square ice cube. If I had a pumpkin ice cube, I'd probably use that one. So we have our ice cube in there, and now we are just going to pour our margarita mix into the glass. Perfect. All right, now we are not done yet. Now we have an apple for an apple cider margarita. Got my knife. 1 moment. So aside from rimming the cocktail glass, I love adding garnishes to cocktails just because they're very aesthetic and they definitely add to your cocktail experience. All right, so now I have my apple slice. I'm just going to add that into my cocktail as well as a cinnamon stick. And voila, there you have a spicy apple cider margarita. Try it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.